When writing your method, you need to make sure it's really clear. Someone else has to be able to follow it, a little bit like a recipe. So make sure you number your steps so everyone knows what order to do it in and it's really clear. For some methods, it's also helpful to have a diagram. Let's have a look at an example. The further away you are from the wall, the smaller your paint splat will be. So making sure it's properly in order and numbered, we're going to have step 1, using a tape measure, stand 30 centimetres away from the wall. 2, dip your paintbrush into a tin of paint and hold it there for 2 seconds. Lift it straight out and flick towards the wall. Make sure you do this the same every time. And 4, using a tape measure, measure the distance between the 2 furthest points of the splatter. For this, a diagram might be helpful. You can also tell that with all the points on this, especially number 2 where it says hold it there for 2 seconds, actually there's quite a lot of detail there, and you need that for someone else to do exactly the same as you did in your experiment. So number 5 is change the part of the wall you're using so it's white again. 6, do parts 1 to 5 for different distances. Now this is really important. Doing different distances and saying which distances you did is really helpful. And number 7 is repeat the whole experiment 3 times. It's important that you do that so that you can get a good average result and that you can see that it's not just a fluke, but it's a reliable thing that happens all the time. So that's your method. Easy steps, lots of detail, and lots of numbers and examples to make sure no one can get your method wrong.